with 5x1 and 20 to 5x1 and 14 adapters. All Honda rings can be interchangeable. As we know, Honda rings come with various bolt patterns, offsets, and hub bones. Wheel adapters can check these factors easily and safely. They come with 2 sets of bolt patterns. One set is made to the vehicle specification, and the other set is machined to the wheel lock pattern. You get a set of second-hand wheels, and apart from the bolt pattern issue, you may face an offset problem. High-quality Honda wheel adapters are designed to operate well in racing and under any kind of terrain. If you would like to run above 1-inch wheel adapters, bolt-on Honda wheel adapters are better. These bolt-on adapters come with 2 sets of wheel locks. The adapter bolts directly to your hub, and the wheel is secured directly to your adapters. This effectively ensures a full thread engagement and a smooth installation. As long as you stick with reputable forged aluminum wheel spacers and have the proper size, your custom Honda adapters mold will be good.
BONOSS Wheel Spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Unlike generic wheel spacers that may introduce vibrations, BONOSS multi-stage Hub-Centric Wheel Spacers feature a precisely machined center board that perfectly matches hub. BONOSS introduces a global patented active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance, a significant advantage for track day enthusiasts. BONOSS Wheel Spacers undergo over 73 strict SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS Wheel Spacers provide a perfect solution.
As long as you stick with reputable forged aluminum wheel spacers and have the proper size, your custom Honda adapters mold will be good. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Honda Civic Wheel Spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.